Hello, guys. This is Marketer Assassin here, and today's topic is I'm going to be teaching you ways to make money online, easy ways to make money online. A very touchy topic. I can understand, anybody can understand that. A lot of people don't like talking about money. They don't even like bringing up the situation of money. A lot of people are struggling, and a lot of people. Money can doesn't bring happiness, but it can help guide you in that path, because money is energy, and without that, it's like oxygen. You Until you run out, you realize how important it is. Only until you run out. But a lot of people try to figure out how to make money online or find all kinds of ways to make money online, and it's very hard for some people. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I got started and I didn't know how to make money online, and I wasn't really a rookie at computers. I understood, the internet. I understood the internet. I just didn't understand how to make money off the internet. And if you're if you're anything like me, you would you be like this hard-headed person who really didn't like listening to other people explain or how they make money, or do all kinds of things on the internet, or how to make money and stuff like that, though. And you would just think, that's just some bogus, scam or whatever. You don't even want to listen to them, blah blah blah. You just want to, do it your way. And from some people that that are not scams, you just think that, I don't want to do it that way. I just want to do it my way. And it's very important to be coachable and open-minded to certain aspects, of making money online, because there's a lot of people that know a lot more than you do that already making like millions online. You know what I'm saying? They started out making a dollar on from to making millions online. So there's something very important you have to keep in mind when wanting to start a business or just do anything to make money online. Whether you do something on YouTube, Facebook, all the social medias, make your own website, make your online business. There's all kinds of ways to make money online, and there's money to be made out here. It's a mindset. And I have this banner thing on here. It's like a quote saying, "You are a badass at making money. Master the mindset of wealth." Jin Sincero, or I don't know who that is. You are a badass. But just having that mindset implanted and embedded in your mind that you are a badass at making money online, then that's where it starts. It starts with structure. You know, I'm in a program, and this is a program that's it's um this program is structured and managed, or managed by David Sharp. I'm sure you've heard of him, but he's an awesome guy. He teaches you all ways to make money online and all that stuff, though. And um, if you're interested in making money online, then you need to subscribe. Right now, because this is all that I talk about, and I can really make you some money online and give you some valuable information. In later videos, I'll explain more about David Sharp, because that's he's really helping me. That guy is. And then it's a long story, and it's a motivational story, and it's a money making story. This story will have you making like some real money month by month. So, but that's another video, though. Today's topic is to make how to make money online, and I'll show you some simple ways, what I started to make money online, to say I have something in my pocket every day. Well, let's get started. I'll show you websites, and don't worry about the I'll leave the links down below so you can understand which how to make money online, and the sites. I'll leave the link in below. So hold on one second. Okay, the first one is this one. This is what this looks like. Hold on one sec. This is what it's Superior Freebies. And for you who haven't is not aware of this or don't know what this is, this is a fair and simple way to make money online. If you don't know what this is, it's a legitimate way to make money online. Like the thing, some of you probably already know what this is, though you just didn't know how it works. Well, I can put a link down below, and I'll link you straight to this page, and I'll explain to you how this works. Basically, it takes PayPal, direct deposit. It does PayPal and direct deposit and checks. And as you see below, one referral. So this basically means referred. How many people are you gonna refer? You know what I'm saying? Just this. So you put your email there. I'll just type you just put an email there. Then let me see. I'll just type a fake email. Just regular Larry at gmail.com. And then it'll take you straight to here, and you'll fill out all the information right here. Confirm your email, password, confirm password, last name, first name, last name, street address, city, state, zip code, country, etc., phone number, you know, all that stuff, even your birthday. And then it'll explain to you the tolerance and what to expect, and how to use this fairly. Think about this. The way this thing works is, it gives you like you have to earn at least one full credit, like 1.00 credit, and it'll give you like multiple surveys down below, or offers, not surveys but offers, could be surveys. Yeah, see, this is basically in this concept and in this order is how it basically works right here in this process right here. Sign up, complete some offers, and then the offers might give you like 0.55 credit, 0.40 credit, 0.95 credit, 0.80 credit, you know, 0.15 credit. It depends on what you're willing to do and which step you're willing to take, you know, to get those credits. And once you make it up to a whole full credit, which you just need one, you can actually refer someone to this website, and that's the magic right there. Because when you refer somebody to this and they sign up and start doing this program, then here's you get look, it's $20.25 actually. So it used to be $15, but now it's $20, and not just $20, $20.25 if you refer one person. So that's really amazing. So they're bumping up the price, and they've got a crossing at 15 there. So I don't know how long this is gonna be like this. They might cancel the 20, you know what I'm saying, but right now they're doing the 20 and 25. So you might want to get on this quick while it's still good, though, because you earn a lot more money. And after that, you can use it. You can constantly refer people over and over again, but and then you'll get money you earn from it. But the thing about it is, there's a trick to this that I've learned to use. Like with this though, you can only they'll track your IP address, so they'll know if you're trying to like use this over and over again, you know, make more accounts to, like, you know what I'm saying, try to refer people, you know what I'm saying. You might be referring to yourself, you know what I'm saying. You might be trying to refer, and that's a smart, and people who think like that are gonna be geniuses, man, because are money geniuses, money making geniuses, because that's a flow, that's a way you can actually make money. And there's a trick to this. And they figured out that it's you know, you constantly trying to refer to yourself. They'll track your IP address, and they'll ban you from this thing. They'll ban your account and delete your account, so you can't make money no more. You know what I'm saying? They'll just ban it, and you can't make an account again. But there's a trick to it. There's a way you can change your. That's what I used. That's what I did. I changed my IP address over and over and over again. And in a later video, another video, I'll show you how to do that. I'll be gladly show you and help you how to do that, teach you how to do that. And yeah, this is a very useful tool that I've been using, that I used before. You know what I'm saying, when I got started. You know, for all you people that just want to make quick and good money on the side, you know what I'm saying, this is it for you. I recommend this right here, and another one I recommend is this right here. I recommend this Inbox Dollars. A lot of you might have heard about this, and this is this is a tool that a lot of people use to generate some money online, get something going. You can watch videos, TV videos, or whatever. Take surveys, shopping, and cash offers, and all that shit right there. I mean stuff. Sorry about that, my language. But there's all kinds of ways, guys. Man, this is really these things right here help you to put out your Gmail, your email, password, confirm password, and you sign up, and then you begin from there. So this is actually a useful tool you can use to make money online. It's very useful, and uh, partners, I don't know if you can refer somebody to this. Uh, Offers, games, survey cash. So I don't really know if you can refer this site to somebody and make money though, but this is actually a easy way and a good way to make money. You can watch the easiest watching videos and TV and stuff like that, and taking surveys. Surveys is a lot of people take surveys. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully the surveys has gotten better. Cause they were a pain in my rear when I first started to do these surveys. So hopefully it's gotten better. So luck to you guys though. But these are simple ways to make money online. So I hope you jump on these guys. And if you're interested in making money online or becoming your own business, and what programs you should join to start to teach you how to make your own business, trust me, guys, I am fully capable of teaching you these things, what to look out for, and just stick with me, because it's a long ride, and it's a successful one, and it's a righteous path that I'm going on, and for you guys. And you guys, it's all about making money, man. Everybody's got to eat, and everybody is gonna eat, man. Everybody's gonna eat. There's too much money to be made out here. I know you heard that plenty of times, but that's a fact, guys. There's a lot of money out here to be made, and if you don't get with this online structure, and you're still with the stone age of living, you know what I'm saying, working job to job, 9 to 5, you know what I'm saying, you need to, I feel sorry for you. You need to get on, like, you know what I'm saying, this new way of making money online, you know what I'm saying, without any effort. And it is not any effort. It's really not no effort. You know what I'm saying? I can teach you, and this is just like this right here, all this stuff, this and the other one I showed you. This is just simple ways to make easy, fast money online. He even got, like, look, $5 bonuses. That's legit, right? That's cool right there. Free $5 bonuses. That's awesome. It's all kinds of ways, but these are just the beginner stage to make, you know what I'm saying, just to figure out how to make some quick money online though. But I later in a future video, I will show you some legitimate ways to actually make some good money online. You know what I'm saying? So you actually can, like, you can probably make more money than you would working at a regular 9 to 5 job. Seriously. That's how much I'm making. I'm making way more money than I ever made working at a 9 to 5 job. So you definitely need to get on this, guys. And this could change your perspective of the internet and how to generate and make money online, man. It's a flow of income, man. You guys need to hop on this. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, hit that like below, hit the bell button, subscribe button, and get notified every new video I post, because this is legitimate and discreet ways of making money online. So don't miss out, and I'll see you guys later.